Here we are in the shop. We got Jay's pizza, whatever, and it just needed a little bit of love. Got the transmission out, the output shaft broke in half. Well, now got the diff out, got all the panels off. Just looking at what all needs to be fixed. I got about 27 Heims I got to replace, 18 uniballs, and just a little bit of everything. Got 4 transmissions, 2 diffs. Everything needs to be changed.
Been at it already, had my tarot read. Things are looking up for me, that's what my tarot said.
I'm a trained professional in my natural habitat. Don't try that at home.
I'm Elvis, I don't pitch it, I sell it. Couldn't picture me jealous, turning fans into zealots, tuning in when I tell it. There were 15 people at the gig, saying, oh my God, what fun this is. Did it all, did it right, did it big.
Well, frame was like this, supposed to be like this. So they got a little what do you call it?
Contraction.
Contract, whatever. And it's pulling on the thing. Got a big old bar.
The big thing pulling on the little thing, and I'm hoping it straightens it out.
Yeah, tonight it's gonna be straight.
Do I?